and I am filming. Close my door.
Sorry. You gotta tell us when you record the limits around.
So you need to knock.
Do it like it's roulette, roll it, burn it, lose it. Get that black and red, keep spending decks, I keep it moving. Put that shit behind me, keep my diamonds blinding. Gotta keep it suave like I'm shining in the night.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Kay. Nice to meet you. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss what's coming next. I'm coming at you with a crochet hair tutorial. The hair that I used was the Lulutress Island Twist, and this hair is 12 inches. The colors that I used were 1B, the color 4, and I believe the color 27. So pretty much what I did was I kind of went in with a few of the 1Bs and then a few of the 4s and then a few of the 27 color. Oh yeah, make sure you stay to the end of this video so that you can see what the hair looks like a week later, which is this, and I'll give you guys my honest review of it. So without further ado, here is the tutorial. So here I'm just showing you guys my braiding pattern. Your braiding pattern does not have to be neat. I would recommend having it less neat as you possibly can. It just makes it look better. So here I'm just going to start off with small strands, and I'm going to loop around about 3 or 4 times and pull it. How I made sure that the colors were evenly distributed throughout my head, I kind of just went in a row. So I did like all one straight across, and then the next row would be the number 4 color, and then the next row would be the 27 color. And I kind of just did that as a pattern throughout my entire head. So again, we're gonna pull it through and loop around 3 times. I personally don't like to do more than 3. Sometimes I'll do 4, but never 5 or 6, and I never knot it, just because when it's time to take this down, I want it to be as easy as possible to take down. I find that just looping it around 3 times does the trick. I never have issues with hair falling out, only looping it 3 times. Now that you're finished crocheting the hair in, you just want to trim the hair. I thought that I wanted to do like bangs, and it kind of it didn't turn out the way that I wanted to. So yeah, just be extra careful when trimming. Make sure that you don't chop off too much. Now that we're finished trimming, you just style it how you would like. So I'm gonna take my Eco Styler gel, and I'm just gonna lay my baby hairs now. So yeah, that is the finished look. This hair was very easy to install. I've had this hair in for about a week now, and this is how she's looking. What I do, I'll show you guys real quick what I do to put it up at night. So pretty much I part it in the middle of my hair, and I kind of just section it off, which you guys can already see, like, it doesn't really mat that bad. So I kind of just twist it up like this, and like I'll put a hair tie on the end, and then I'll do the same thing to the other side, and then I just kind of put my bonding on, and that's it, lay down, and then wake up in the morning, untwist it, and it's fine. This hair is very low maintenance, like very low maintenance, and I love it. I would definitely recommend this hair. Again, this hair was Lulutress Island Twist, and she's cute, and she's giving me all types of life, y'all, all types. So yeah, check this hair out, and let me know what you guys think, if you like this hairstyle or not. There's different ways that you can wear this. I kind of like rushed through it, but yeah, I'm liking her. I really am. It's been a while since I've put crochet hair in. But yeah, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, share, tell a friend. Make sure that you hit the notification bell just to make sure that you don't miss my videos. So thank you for watching this video, and as always, stay blessed, and I will see you guys in the next video.